Hello, just a quick video, very quick. I've got this thing initializing and looking at the directory, and just to show you how delicate this all is, I'm going to move the machine ever so slightly. No, still working. I'm going to move it ever so slightly. Still working. I'm going to push it back a bit. This is all to convince, well, I'm really not trying to convince the cable to mess up, but I know it will. Alright, well that is not doing anything. So, I'm going to reach behind, shake the cable a bit, shake the cable a bit. And wouldn't that just be the case when I'm trying to show you how it's messing up when I move the cable. Okay, there's a little bit. There we go. So definitely there's something. Oh, I caught it back in. So there's something going on. So I do need to see about. I did clean the edge connector. I'll spray some deoxide into the cable, and I'll see. But it may be that this is one of those cables that definitely I should not ever let leave the house, that I should use for my own thing, knowing that it's fine. If it's in the right position, it's fine. It will be fine. But certainly not one to sell or give to anyone in trade or anything like that. Anyway, so you saw it screw up a little bit. I bet you if I pull on it a little bit more, I can get it to foul up. Huh, oh, okay, it did a little bit there. Where is, okay. It has, oh no, it stopped, but then it started. This is peculiar. Before, I was having no trouble having it foul up. Oh, there, it screwed up a little bit there. Okay, now we're stuck. Okay, now we're getting an error. It's coming. It's trying to do something to drive 0. It's come up with an error. Print DS string. Nothing is happening. I bet you if I run it, it won't do it. But I bet you. And if I, okay, so I tap the cable, and then it works again. Very strange indeed. Anyway, things happen. Especially, like, you know, this cable was probably connected in the same configuration forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. And there could be tiny little breaks inside. Things happen. Anyway, thanks for coming. Have a lovely, lovely day. And just keep in mind, anytime you swap a cable or swap anything, you just never know, you know. Maybe it's the cable. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.